Hello, my dear 7th standard boys. I am your social science sir, the Arulraj Abraham. Students, last class we learned about the state government. Today we are going to look at the questions and answers. Dear students, take your social science book and turn the lesson page. State government lesson back questions. First, First, choose the correct answer. 1. What is the minimum age of becoming a member of the state government legislative council? What is the minimum age for the becoming a member of state legislative council? A. 18 years, B. 21 years, C. 25 years, D. 30 years. Answer D. 30 years. Second question, how many states does India have? 20 have A. 26, B. 27, C. 28, D. 29. Third question, the word state government refers to A. Government departments in the states, B. Legislative assembly, C. Both A and B, D. None of above. Answer C. Both A and B. Fourth question, overall head of the government in the state is the dash. A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Governor, D. Chief Minister. Answer C. Governor. Fifth question, who appoints the chief ministers and other ministers? A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Governor, D. Election Commissioner. Answer C. Governor. Sixth question, who becomes the chief minister? A. Leader of the majority party, B. Leader of the opposition party, C. Both, D. None. Answer A. Leader of the majority party. Seventh question, what are the three branches of the state government? A. Mayor, Governor, MLA, B. Panchayat, Municipality, Corporation, C. Village, City, State, D. Legislative, Executive and Judiciary. Second, fill in the blanks. The governor is appointed by the dash. Answer president. Next, the leader of the majority party is appointed as dash in the state assembly. Answer, Chief Minister. Third, dash is the highest judicial organ of the state. Answer, High Court. Fourth question, MLA stand for dash, Legislative Assembly. Fifth question, dash is a particular area form where all the voters living there choose their representative. Answer, constituency. Sixth question, the elected representatives who are not the member of ruling party are called dash. Answer, opposition party. Third, match the following. MLA. Answer, Legislative Assembly. Governor. Answer, head of the state. Chief Minister. Answer, leader of the majority party. Union territories. Answer, 7. Fourth, St. George. Answer, Secretariat. Next, all the MLAs of other political party who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition. Answer, true. C. MLAs are not the representatives of people. Answer, false. Third question, find out the correct meaning of bicameral legislature. A. It means that there are cameras in the legislature. B. It means that the legislature has men and women members. D. It means that there are two houses like upper house and lower house. D. It means that the governor is the leader over member of the legislature. Answer, C. It means that there are two houses like upper house and lower house. Fourth, assertion. India has a federal system of government. Reason, according to our constitution, the power is divided between central and state governments. A is correct and R explains A. B. A is correct and R does not explain A. C. A is correct and R is wrong. D. Both are wrong. Answer, A is correct and R explain A. Fifth question. Answer one or two sentences. What are the qualifications to become the governor of a state government? State. To become a governor, you should be the citizen of India, should have compiled 35 years of age of years, and should have sound mind. Second question, who are called oppositions? Party which get the total number of seats. Next to be majority party, acts as an opposition party in the legislature. Third question, write note on Lok Adalat have been established by Government of India to settle dispute through conciliation and compromise. Fourth question, what is a constituency? An area whose voter elect a representative to a legislative body. Fifth question, who appointed the chief minister and other ministers? The governor appoints the chief minister. The chief minister is consultation with the governor, constitutes a cabinet which includes member of his party as ministers. Sixth, answer the following in detail. Describe the power of the governor. The governor is an integral party of the state legislature. Next point, governor is the head of the state executive and he has enormous powers. Next point, all the administration is carried on in his name. Next point, all bills become law only after his assent. Next point, he appoints important officials of the state government such as advocate, general chairman and members of state public service commission, state election commissioner, vice chancellor of state universities, etc. Second question, who is an MLA? MLAs are not the representatives of people. He is one among us. He is the member of Legislative Assembly. Third question, what is the role of chief ministers and other council of ministers? The chief minister is the real executive head of the state administration. Next point, he allocates the portfolios among the ministers. மாணவர்களே, இத்துடன் இன்றைய கேள்வி பதில் முடிந்தது. இதில் உள்ள கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஆன்சரை நீங்கள் எழுதி உங்கள் நோட்டில் எழுதி ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்பி வைங்க. இத்துடன் இன்றைய பாடம் முடிவடையும்.